morning. How are you guys? Morning. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing here? I'm super excited for today. I had an amazing day yesterday. What a crazy move I missed. But I'm feeling good because we've been having like very good trades, right? We're getting like very good setups. We're being very patient to enter a trade. So super happy with my trading. Very happy with my trading this month. Morning. I want to see pullbacks in the market. Pullbacks, yeah. I think a pullback to 464 on the Q will be perfect. A pullback to 552 on SPY also could be perfect. Do we have any data coming up today? Ooh, I like this SPY reaction. Hola. I'm taking that SPY reaction there. My stop is gonna be the VWAP. I like that reaction. We have data 10:30. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Peter. Yeah, I'm playing that 555 level. You guys know that 555 level is important. We've been playing the same level for, I would say, like 10 days already or something like that. Yep. Beautiful reaction there. Oof. Beautiful reaction there. Do we have any continuation to 552, 551, 50? I think we're gonna have continuation if Nvidia loses yesterday high. Still with looking very weak. I took the exactly same trade with my funded futures also. Nvidia holding 117, which is important for Nvidia. The Q is looking weak. SPY is very weak. Oof. We had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful entry. What a trade. Beautiful. 552 will be like, I think, the next big support. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep. 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 I'm out. I'm on this one. Um out on this one too. My funded futures. My funded futures here. Wait. My funded futures here. Apex. I'm done, guys. That was perfect. We had a perfect entry. I could not ask for more. See, we're done in like 10 minutes. And it's the same 555 level over and over and over again. That was perfect. Perfect. It definitely looks like it wants more, but I'm good. The Q is definitely gonna die and go to 464 if Nvidia loses this morning low here, 116. That was beautiful. Easy. Easy. That was perfect. $5.55. You guys have it on my Discord. Again, I post my levels on my Discord so you guys are prepared for the stream. Look how easy was that. That was perfect. Yeah, I know, and that's why I'm answering. Okay. Okay, we're pretty much done with futures. I'm definitely gonna be here with you guys for if you need me for any trades or any charts that you want me to look at. But I'm done. That was too easy, too clean. Okay, 24K is 15 Apex accounts, PAs, 3 funded accounts, 3 funded accounts on my funded futures and 1 eval on my funded futures. So is this minus 725 because that's the eval, that will be the real money here. How many contracts you guys saw? How many contracts I had? It was 1 contract per 50k account and 2 contracts on each 150k account. You can have up to 20 funded accounts on Apex. Yeah, definitely looks like we're gonna have continuation, maybe a little bounce here. But I would like to see SPY rejecting 554 because it's this high. The funny thing is, like, I'm ooh, this could be a good entry here in the queue. The funny thing is, like, I'm trading in my PJs because I wake up feeling a little bit sick. So I'm trading my PJs, drinking my coffee. I wake up like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. No, I'm lying. I wake up. Today I wake up like 7:30. Check out what the charts, so I post my SPY QQQ levels and my watch list on my Discord, and then I got into like another nap, and then I wake up like 20 minutes ago because again I'm feeling a little bit sick. So yeah, trading my PJs, and I just made like 24k, 2350. So beautiful. We don't need anything else. At least I don't. It's not the same Discord as this is. It's my Discord. On my Discord, you have my watch list and my SPY and QQQ levels. That's it. Nothing else. I don't have like I don't call out trades, and I don't have chat there. Only on my Discord is 100% focused on getting you guys ready for the stream. Even if you don't watch the stream, you can use those levels to trade on your own. Nvidia is fighting yesterday high. I think if Nvidia can really hold 118, that's a confirmation that I want to go higher, and the next big resistance that I see on Nvidia is 124. The Discord is down below. Every single link for everything is down below. every single link or everything that I use, even for my setup, the mic that I use, the computer, screens, everything down below. Because I don't need to watch futures. I'm used to trade pretty much anything on and everything with SPY in the queue. So when I change into futures, I realized that I didn't need to change that. I can perfectly trade with just by looking SPY in the queue. Okay, Nvidia guys, 118. Nvidia is about to break 118. Let's see if we can have a break and retest around 118, even though 170 is good too, because that's around yesterday high, and that's where we have the VWAP. I kind of like snow also, but it's definitely weaker than the rest of the tech stocks. Why is everyone so obsessed with Nvidia? Most of you guys trade Nvidia like every single day. Why? I don't I don't understand that. Hmm. Nvidia is holding very good so far. The Q is having a lot of trouble. SPY, it looks like it's consolidating, but if it's not holding above 154, 554, I don't think it's that bullish. The Q is definitely looking way stronger than SPY. But it's very choppy. The Q is very, very choppy. I'm trying Tesla here. I like Tesla. Maybe the 230 contract? I'm waiting a little bit here. Let me see. I want to see this candlestick really holding the VWAP. I'm watching Tesla. Yeah, I'm gonna go long on Tesla 230 for this week. And I'm also gonna get 235 for next week. My stop loss for weeklies, it's gonna be 226, and for the next week it's gonna be today's low. I also got Nvidia 119 for this week. My stop is gonna be morning low. Those I got small positions because I don't want to lose money today. Super happy with my futures trade. I don't like that move on Tesla. No, I never ever never put goals like PNL or if you're trading futures points goals. That's gonna mess up your trading day, because if you're red, you're gonna try to go for your goal. So no, I never do that. My only focus is trading good setups. That's it. Forget about PNL. If you trade PNL, that is not how you trade. You don't trade PNLs. That's why you don't stop out because you're red on you're looking your PNL being red. No PNL at all. In fact, I don't really watch my PNL. I only see it now because I'm doing the stream and you guys, I have to have it like literally here in front of me because that way you guys see it. But the way that I trade futures on my phone and I don't see the PNL like never, ever. I only watch the charts. Ooh, the Q is looking weak. Keeps rejecting here. No, I don't do overnight trade. Have you seen how futures move overnight? That thing don't barely move. I hate it. Everyone say like, oh, you can trade futures 24/7. No, you cannot. Futures only really move during regular market hours. It's super extremely slow at night. Like extremely slow. Yeah, I remember when I was new on futures and I was super excited to trade at night. And then I entered a trade. Oh my god. It was so boring. Like nothing was happening. I have tried I've done like a couple of overnight trades, like literally a swing trade pretty much, because I buy around 6 and I sell in the morning, like pre-market, but still I don't love it. I don't do it much, not often. I've done it like maybe 5 times in a year. It's very risky. The Q needs to break 469.50 to really be bullish. This level here. 469.50. What happened? That's the level that the Q needs to break. AM and power hours, or you're pretty much all day sitting on your computer. Let's see if SPY's gonna reject the VWAP. If not, if just keep going higher. Yeah, choppy, and that was just a pullback. If reject the VWAP, most likely we're gonna see 552. How long it took me? Over 2 years. Yeah. I remember when I had 2 years trading, I was flat. So I will say over 2 years. And even when you're profitable, you're not gonna make much money at the beginning. So real things start to happen after, I will say, 4 or 5 years. When you have 4 or 5 years, I will say 5 years trading, like really trading, it's when you feel very comfortable, and you're gonna have days like mine today. Sometimes you have small days, sometimes you have very good days. Ooh, 469.50, the Q needs to hold that level. Apple, 221.50 is also a very good hold. Okay, so the Q broke the downtrend. Same thing here with SPY, but both back at resistance. And I will say it's like this. If the Q can really hold this level, that's pretty bullish. And if you're looking to trade, just wait for a real strong break and then a little pullback. Yeah, I will say 5 years when you're really trading. After 5 years. Did I go to school to start? Where do you learn trading at school? Like when? Tell me one school that really teach you how to trade. Like teach you technical analysis. I know some schools have like elective here that you can learn like the basics of the like fundamentals of the market. But I don't know one school that teach you technical analysis. Not one. Also, I feel like most of traders we like to teach, but at the same time, like I love teaching, right? But I like doing it whenever I want. It's not like I want to have a job like on a school or a university teaching trading, because I don't want to be on a regular 9 to 5 job, right? Oh, I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow too. And I went to school so back home in Venezuela, I study business because yeah, that's a career. Like here is a little bit different. You go with a different minor and a major, and then you get an MBA. So in Venezuela, I went to school for business, and then I came here and I got a master's degree in HR and an MBA. So another one in business. How much capital? I don't know. Like when you start, you just put money in any broker and then you lose it, and then you start and you lose it, and then you put a little bit more money and then you lose it. That's how I started. Ooh, Nvidia's looking good. I'm sorry, Tesla's looking good. It's flagging. Tesla's flagging. For a moment, I thought Tesla was gonna stop me out. Yeah, I think. Okay, so trading, like when it comes to trading or reading the chart, honestly, you can learn that if you really pay attention to any good YouTube video. And then the things, like there's so many ways that we can trade, like so many different ways of trading that it can get a little bit overwhelmed. But you need to try them all, because you don't know what you're gonna be good at after you tried it, right? And also learning a little bit about yourself. Are you gonna be a good scalper? Are you gonna be a good swing trader? Do you understand all the points that you need in your favor to be able to do swing trades? That's very important, because I get so many people that DM me that they want to swing trade, but the market is not always for swing trade. That's why you guys see me. You didn't see me taking swings the past, I don't know, month. I've been just basically trading futures because the market the past, I don't know, 2 weeks or 3 weeks haven't been moving for a swing trade. So no reason to swing trade if you don't have the market for that. And also it depends on your personality. Like, are you gonna be okay sleeping with a open position? And like when I started trading futures, I kind of started trading like I trade options, holding it my position for longer and pretty much catching big move. But the thing is, like, futures contracts move so much, yeah, that it's kind of difficult to hold a futures contract when it's going against you. With options, I have no problem. Like, I sleep very well if I leave an option open overnight. But with futures, there's no way I'm gonna do that. So again, I need to understand that how it's my psychology when it comes to trading futures, and it was if I was okay seeing pullbacks, holding futures contracts. That's why I started scalping, even though I never liked scalping options, because I was trading option. Every time I saw somebody scalping option, I was like, why you're doing that when you can catch huge move? So again, when I started trading futures, I was new to it. Everything was new to me, pretty much, and I needed to understand my psychology when it comes to futures trading and pretty much adapt, right? So now you see me being in and out very fast with futures, but I don't do that with options. And I used to hate scalping. I did not like scalping. I still have a little bit of problem with scalping, but again, it's my psychology because I'm so used to it to hold my position for so long that every time I get in and out fast with a futures trade, I feel like, why, Andrea? Why you're not taking advantage of this entire move? But then I see my red days, and my red days are because I'm holding it for too long. So I had to be in peace with myself, knowing that if I want to be profitable in futures, I need to scalp. And I need to let it go. If the market is having huge move, just got it with options, not with futures. But yeah, for me, futures is for scalpers or day traders, and I think options is for swing and catching big move. Yeah, right. We have trust issues, right? I think all traders, we all have trust issues. Because trading is not about the P&L. Again, I said it 1,000 times. If you are only getting out because you're seeing green, that is not trading. That is not trading. Trading is based on probabilities and good setups, not on green P&L. In fact, you're not gonna last longer if you're only getting out because you're seeing green. That is not how you last long in this very difficult, very stressful work that is trading. Apex is just a prop firm, guys. TOS is a broker. So okay, let's go with the difference between a broker and a prop firm. The prop firm is just a business that you buy a account, they give you your account, and you go and grab that account and use it on a prop firm, on a broker, and that's where you trade. Like, I have 20 accounts on Apex. I bought those accounts. So you go and buy the evaluation accounts. You pass those evaluation accounts, then they're gonna send you an email for you to pay a fee for the funded accounts. You grab those funded accounts, you put it on the broker. For me, it's Trade08, this one that you guys see it here. So I had my, first I buy my eval, check. I use Trade08, which is the broker, to trade. I pass my eval check. I get the email from Apex that I can now pay and be moved on a funded account. I grab that funded account and use Tradeovate to trade, and that's where you make real money. That's it. You make money, and then if you follow the rules that Apex or any prop firm that you're using, if you follow the rules, you apply for payment, and then that money is gonna be in your bank account. That's it. I don't have kids. No, I don't teach anyone in my family. They are not. Honestly, my brother and my sister, they are like not. They don't care about trading at all. Especially my sister. They both have their own businesses. Well, they have one business and they work together, and they're pretty much into that business. It's a ice cream sandwich shop back home, and it's a lot of work. So Apex is running 80% off promo, and $85 one-time fee for the PAs, aka funded accounts. Yeah, my friends also, they have no idea. Every time I say that I'm like, whenever somebody asks me what I do, I honestly don't like to say it because people are like, oh my god, I wanna learn, and they start asking me questions about like Bitcoin, and I'm like, no, I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't trade crypto. I'm like, I don't trade crypto. I just buy and hold forever. But yeah, most of women don't care about trading. Like, they have no idea. My friends, like my best friend is like, I don't know how you do that. That's extremely difficult. And I'm like, yep. I've been practicing for like 8 years. Yes, it's very difficult. Until you really, really learn it. What happened to the balance money? It's just in the account, so you don't blow it up. Just, guys, go and read the rules. Like, on Apex, they have a website that is literally, you can check it out. Everything that you ask me, like pretty much every single day, it's everything. Like, everything's right here. Just go to their website, go to FAQ, and then just type anything you want to learn, or you have no idea how it works. You have it here. Everything, like invoices, payments, like the most popular, like evals, how evals work, payments, which is the most asked question from everyone. Just click payments, and you're gonna have how do payments work. Go here, and you have an explanation for everything, like literally a tutorial. More questions here. And you have a bunch of YouTube videos that explain you that also. Oh, the other thing that I always get when I say I'm a trader is like, oh, but like you work for a bank, right? Or for a private business. And I'm like, no. But why? Why you don't work for a bank? And like, why would I want to work for a bank? Why would I want to have a boss? No, I don't look NQ or ES. I don't check future charts. How do you manage trailing drawdown? How do you manage a stop loss? It's exactly the same thing. Trading good setups. That's it. Again, trading is easy. You guys overcomplicate it. If you trade with a good size, you're not gonna have problems with a trailing drawdown. If you want to go and buy 20 evals and you want to pass it in one day, of course you're gonna buy like 10 contracts, and of course you're gonna have problems with the trailing drawdown. In fact, I think a trailing drawdown is very good because that tells you that you either a really bad trader or you're like desperate. You don't have discipline enough to be patient enough to pass the eval, just like if it is any other regular account. Trading is all about consistency and discipline. If you don't have those two, I'm sorry, but you're not gonna make money. So this is how I see trading. I see trading like, okay, first you obviously need to dial down the technical analysis. If you don't have a good technical analysis base, which what I've noticed is most of people think they know how to recharge, but in my mentorings, the questions that I got are like the same thing pretty much over and over again. How do I hold my runners for longer, and how do I manage my stop loss? And then when I see their trades, I'm like, you had a bad entry. It's like, obviously you're losing money not because you had a bad stop loss or because you didn't know how to manage your trade. You had a bad entry because you didn't have the good level, or you didn't understand the candlestick. Like the candlesticks, it's telling you that it's rejecting, or it's telling you that it's holding. So it's not that it's not like you're not holding your runners. It's just obviously you're gonna get stopped out because your technical analysis wasn't good. And that's like, I will say 99% of the question I have, it's the same answer. And then we need to work on, first of all, on technical analysis, how to look the overall chart, how to look the overall market, how really understand how to put your levels, how really understand what's the message that the candlesticks are sending you, and then being confident enough to enter a trade and being patient for that, because we need to be patient for a trade to come to us, not we running towards the trade. So for being a good trader, first you need to nail technical analysis, then you need patience. And what was the other one that I was saying? I forgot. Oh, consistency. Am I still on Tesla? What do you think? Again, patience. Is Tesla near my stop loss? What is Tesla doing? Right now it's not doing anything, so why would I get out of Tesla? Give me one good reason to get out of Tesla. Can it go against me? Yeah. Can it go in my favor? Yeah. But right now, it's not at my stop loss. So I do nothing. Look at Nvidia trade, looking beautiful. Apple is looking pretty good. 222 hold, 221 hold. Very good. Meta finally waking up this morning. I didn't realize that Meta just gap up above 515. It's doing a gap and go. Ooh, what just happened? That's an ugly reaction. What a fake out. Man, I'm so happy that I did just one beautiful trade here and I got out. That's an ugly move. That's an ugly move. So technically a SPA is still not over 555. If we see the daily, clear reaction. Also the daily on the Q is looking ugly, reacting 469.50, 469. Tesla not looking too hot. Nvidia is still holding. No, my stop loss on Tesla was not below the VWAP. I never said that. This is starting to get a little bit choppy. I definitely like how Nvidia is holding. I think Nvidia, as long as it's holding 116 or yesterday high, is very bullish. This is ugly. This is ugly. That's a good question, Vero. I started trading because I always knew that I wanted to make money on my own. I always knew that I didn't want to have a boss. So I honestly was just looking to. I was just researching how to make money online, and I think I got a Timothy Sykes ad, which I said it yesterday. I think he was ahead of everyone. He was doing like 10 years ago, he was doing the same thing that everyone is doing right now. But yeah, I started like, I was researching to make money online. I knew I didn't want to have like a regular job. I'm gonna take profits with the Nvidia weeklies, and I still think Nvidia can pull back and just keep going higher, but I need to keep going because I have a lot of things to do today. I have a pretty busy day today, and so yeah, my stop loss for Nvidia, I'm gonna hold my full position for Nvidia's next week. I just sold, my stop loss is gonna be morning low, and I just sold mostly like 95% of my Nvidia weeklies. Tesla, I'm holding Tesla. The weeklies, unless it breaks, I will say 226. I'll get out of the weeklies if it breaks 226. And for the next week, my stop loss is gonna be 223. Yeah, because I really like this Tesla hold above 223, and maybe okay, let me show you the chart, what I'm seeing. So let's go first with Nvidia. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I'm working on a video tutorial, a video course, free for you guys. Most likely I'm gonna post it today. It's gonna be ready for tomorrow for sure. So I don't know if I want to post it today or just post it tomorrow. The class that I did on Friday is gonna be posted today on a video by itself. That's gonna be available, I think, around 3 or 5 Eastern time. And yeah, I'm gonna be live here trading tomorrow also. Okay, let's go with what I'm looking at on Nvidia and Tesla. . Okay, so Nvidia for me is extremely bullish right now. Yes, I can see it has a little bit of resistance here, right? A little bit of resistance here, 120, and also a little bit of resistance around 122. So let's look at this level here, 120, and also a little bit of resistance here around 122. But the main one, I will say the main one is 124. So a little bit under 124, it's like 123.70. So these hold resistance here. That's the main one, right? And so yeah, I think as long as Nvidia is above this little level here, it's pretty bullish. So this green area here, I think it's pretty bullish. And yeah, so my main PT is 124, and that's why I bought a bunch of contracts for next week, because I think Nvidia has a lot of possibilities to go to 124, and that's gonna be like a big level. Nvidia 124, big level. So yeah, I just logged a bunch of profits on the weeklies. I'm holding only a few runners for let's see what it's gonna do tomorrow, or maybe later today. And I'm holding my full position for the next week's contracts. For Tesla, okay, so I really like this Tesla hold here. Like, look how it was resistance, support. We broke that on Tuesday. Yesterday was a crazy day, but it's still close above this little level here. So for me, as long as Tesla holds that level, it's bullish. Definitely looking weak right now. Like I said, most likely I get out of the weekly's contract if we lose 226. So put your alerts there. I'm gonna put a alert there. If it loses 226, I'm getting out with the weeklies. But for the next week, I'm not gonna sell those unless the daily candlestick close under today's low, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking for Nvidia and Tesla. I've been looking this Nike gap that I really want to trade. But like, I post these, I think on Monday on my Discord, and I posted today. Look at this huge gap on Nike. Huge gap on Nike. I really love how we like literally gap up and then kind of stay there and then gave back that, because it's kind of like a break. You have a break of this resistance, right? Break, kept going higher, and now we have the retest. I want to see that retest holding. So far, it's not looking too strong, even though I really like yesterday's candle. See, I think if Nike closed today holding at least 79, I will go right away and buy a bunch of contracts for a swing trade. At least 2-3 weeks out. That will be, I think this is my main, like, this is gonna be my next big trade with options. This Nike gap. But so far, yes, it's holding. I have this level that I want to see Nike holding, but so far I still don't love this hold. I want to see something better, even though yes, I do like yesterday daily candlestick, but I still need today to hold better. Like, so far it's not looking too good. Well, it's looking good intraday, but yeah, I need a stronger daily candle holding 79 will be like perfect for me to enter this trade. 78 is good, but 79 it will be perfect. And look, 79 was today's reaction point. So yeah, 79. We could definitely enter early here with a stop loss at today's low. We could be a little bit, if we're not patient enough and we kind of wanna, you know what, I'm gonna do it. It's a little bit early entry. It's kind of anticipating what I might do, but I'm not gonna go with my full position. I'm only gonna buy a few. Let's see what contracts I wanna get for this one. When is the earnings? It's October 1st. Okay, so I got October 4th, 80 strike. Again, it's not my full position. It's only like starting position. My stop loss for this starting position is gonna be this low here. That's my stop loss. And yeah, if I'm gonna wait for my full position. I'm gonna wait to see if today we close at least near 79, and then tomorrow we use 79 as support. That will be like my main entry, and I'm gonna enter with a big position there. But yeah, 79 guys, 79. If you don't want to lose money, don't enter right now. That's my last thing here on the stream. So yeah, be ready, and I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.